Hey, greetings everyone. Uh, if you have been following my videos, I have been doing a lot of unboxing. The reason being that I'm stuck at home. I need to find ways to make my life a lot easier. So do some shopping. So I did a lot of PCs, technology stuff. So today it's not any different. So this particular one is called a Logitech keyboard. It's called K80. And this is using a Bluetooth connection, which allows connection using Windows. If you have Mac, Chrome, Android, or iOS, basically this is a keyboard for smart devices and PCs. The great thing about this particular item is you can connect multiple items. Not sure if you can see the picture. You are able to switch the keyboard to 3 different connections. So if it's connected to 3 different items, and depending on what you have, you can just do the switch and it connects to different ones. So today is going to be an unboxing of this particular item. Myself, like everyone else in the world, we have smartphones, we have all kinds of devices. I am not sure about you, but having smartphone is great as long as you don't need to type. I hate typing on smartphones just because the keyboard are small and they are very difficult to use. I always enjoy having a full keyboard. So iPads, when it first came out, after a couple of years, Steve Jobs said the iPad's going to replace all the computers and PCs out there, and it's been 10 years. It didn't happen because nothing beats a keyboard. You need a keyboard to do a lot of things, a lot of typing. I'm in the business world. I need keyboard. I need to be able to type a document. I can never type a document using a touchscreen. It's annoying, to say the least. I hate it. So this is not any different. I bought a Fire HD10, which is great just for reading. But what happened if I type? I hate typing it. That's why I went online and I found this particular keyboard. This thing has been around for I would say 6 years. It's cost about $50, but it's been on sale for $30 on Amazon. So the price fluctuates if you're interested in getting it. So do check it out. So without further ado, let's look at the box itself. It's called multi-device Logitech K480. I'll just flip it around. Type on anything. You can type basically text, connect to anything, connect up to 3 devices. Like it says, switch between 3 connected Bluetooth device. Type in comfort. There is a rail on the top, that way you can put device on the top just so you can type more comfortably. Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. It says here the 24-month battery life. I'm not sure how true is that, whether this is rechargeable or not. So let's open it up and find out together. And there you have it. So the box itself is about 2 pounds. This thing is actually quite heavy. The spec says it's about 1.8 pounds. So this is heavy. Let's see what's in the box. Beside the keyboard, probably just some warranty information. Really, who read this anymore? What else is here? It's nothing. I think this is the battery. I have to pull this or slide this. Okay, that's great. It's used 2 AA batteries. Actually, AAA batteries, and the power on the button is here. That, I believe, it's a reset button. So this is very, very cheap to maintain because it's just used 2 AAA batteries. Let me slide that back in. So on the top, there is a switch. You can switch between devices. These are the connect. You can connect to Windows, iOS, or Mac. So really in 2 different parts of the world. So that's pretty reasonable. There is a rail, like I said. This is easily, comfortably, you can insert any device like so. And you can start typing. Okay, you can insert a smartphone. You can put 2 if you want. like so. So everything you have to, as long as there's a Bluetooth connection, you can use this. Now let's talk about the features. The key itself, they are all round. These are really not normal keys, but putting my hands on the keyboard, it feels normal because they are evenly spaced and they are not clickety, but they do feel soft and they seem to be responsive. On the top there are function keys, and there are the volume button on the top as well. You can take screenshots, functions. So these are all the normal keyboards. Let me show you another Acer keyboard, which is wireless, that I have. These are really the full-size keyboard. As you can see, they're both the same. With the key layout, it looks very similar, not any different. So anyone who has used keyboard a lot, this is easily you can get into it, so not a problem at all. So now I just need to connect to a device and see how it works. So Logitech is nice enough to put in just really 5 steps instruction on how to set it up. Shouldn't be that difficult. So first you remove the battery protector, which I did. I'm going to switch to 1, and I'm going to use Android. You have to hold 3 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and it's not blinking. So I'm going to use my Fire HD. Go to settings. Next, go to Bluetooth. Turn it on. Bluetooth connection. Keyboard. So found the keyboard. I'm going to just connect to it. Do I need to type that in? 606019. There, I do see the keyboard K80 connected, so that seems to be connected. So let me go home. I'll just pick one app that I can type. Okay, let's do a test. Okay, so I'll just create something new, and I'm going to start typing. This is a keyboard. Okay, so it's pretty responsive. When I type, it shows up right away, and the functions button on the top seems to be working. And when I hit the volume button, it goes up and down. Let me switch this around. When I play, it will play. Fast forward, backwards. Everything works perfectly. Now, what happens if I press the home button? It'll go back to home. Okay, this is the reason. This is to return. This is wonderful news. So the keyboard works flawlessly. I can use this definitely for 3 devices, and I can share this with my family, bring this out if I need to do any typing on my tablet, which is great. Is this something that you may find useful? You may, if you like typing and you hate typing on keyboard on smart devices, definitely get this. This is 1.8 pound, not very heavy, but do keep that in mind if you want to put this in your bag with everything else in your bag. It does, over time become really heavy, my opinion. So regardless, this is really a good buy. I will put a product link in the video description below. If you like this video, please remember to click on the like button. That I provide you enough guidance on this particular keyboard. This thing has been out since 2014. I don't see this going anywhere because this is just special, very useful. I definitely recommend this. If you think I helped you in making that decision, like I said, click on the like, subscribe to my video, click on the I guess the bell somewhere, so every time I post a video you get notified, and hopefully you continue to follow me by subscribing to my channel. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.